A virus is making its way through the Chippewa Valley, and who it really affects is your dog. Officials from an Eau Claire doggy daycare called Paws and Claws say kennel cough, or what they like to call canine cough, has been going around for at least a month. Co-owner Stephanie Sorensen says canine cough is airborne and is similar to a cold. Even though it's not life-threatening, she says there have been fewer dogs at their facility. She usually has up to 45 dogs a day, but today she had half that amount.
It's a virus, so generally it sounds like a hacking cough or like a retching, sometimes a seal. Sometimes they get lethargic. Your vet, sometimes they'll prescribe an antibiotic to prevent secondary infections. The other thing they'll do is if your dog needs like a cough suppressant.
Sorensen says she calls the virus a canine cough rather than a kennel cough because dogs can get it not just at a kennel, but at daycare, training classes, dog parks, or just running into the neighborhood dog.